In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm Ai. Notebooklm is designed to help you work with your own materials like PDFs, web pages, or files from your drive, and then ask questions based on those sources. This is useful for studying, summarizing, and pulling accurate details without digging through documents manually. To begin, go to Notebooklm. On the main screen, look for the option that says plus create new and click it. This creates a fresh notebook, which is basically a workspace where your sources and notes will live. Starting with a new notebook helps keep each project organized, especially if you plan to use Notebooklm for different topics. Next, you will add your sources. Click Upload, and then choose what you want to bring in. You can upload a PDF from your computer, paste in a URL to include a web page, or select files from Google Drive. As a tip, try to upload only the most relevant materials first. When your sources are focused, your answers are usually clearer and easier to verify. Once your sources are uploaded, take a moment to look at the right-hand sidebar. You will see a section labeled Notebook Guides. This area can include tools like an audio overview or a video overview, depending on what is available. These guides help you explore your notebook in different formats, which can be helpful when you want a quicker understanding of the content. Now you are ready to start querying your sources. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the chat box. Type a specific question into that chat box using clear wording and including details that match what is in your documents. For example, instead of asking for a general summary, ask for key points from a certain section or ask for a comparison between two concepts mentioned in your sources. Specific questions produce more useful responses. When Notebooklm generates an answer you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins it to your board so it is easy to find later. Saving important responses as notes is a great way to build a clean set of study notes or a quick reference outline as you go. That covers everything you need to know.